Welcome to the channel STEM Cafe, where we make everything science, technology, engineering, and mathematics easy to comprehend, assimilate, fun, and entertaining. All is just to make sure that you have interest, obsessed with everything STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Today, we still continue integration. And the integration we are going to work on is, they are like 1 over a plus b sine square x plus c cos square x dx. And the second one will be 1 over a plus b sine x plus c cos x dx. These are very simple to do. But why are we treating them specially? The reason is we do not have any, in our differentiation standards results, we do not have anything that when we differentiate, it will bring us to this. So we have to look at how to manipulate, innovate to handle this kind of integration. And how do we do this? We go into the use of tangents. Tangent and tan half of the angle. So because of this, I'm going to take them one by one so that we'll know how to handle them. And you will see how easy it becomes. Now, let's handle the first one. In this instance, we say that this integral will be something like of a plus b sine square x plus c cos square x dx. Here, how do we handle this? We realize that the easiest way to handle this is to work in terms of tan. Because by the time you put tan into this thing, it will make it easy and give us a form that is similar to the format we had before. Let's see how it goes. Now, let's work with, let's say we have tan x is equal to t. Sin x and cos x, we can easily get them by working like this. What will be tan x? That will be opposite over adjacent. So if this place is t, this place will be 1. And then, this place will be equal to 1 plus t squared by Pythagoras. Therefore, we can say that sin x will be equal to t over root of 1 plus t squared. Cos x will be equal to 1 over root of 1 plus t squared. So you can see we have, but this one, that's why we need to do extra work now. So if tan x equals to t, so we can now say that d tan x dx will be dt dx, and that's going to give us sec square x. You know what that is? And it's going to be 1 plus tan square x is 1 plus t squared. So which means that our dt, our dx, because we need expression for dx will be equal to dt over 1 plus t squared. So with this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We can go on with our work now. And at the end of the day, you will see that most of the time, the answer is going to be in terms of arctan. Please take note of that. The answer most times will be in terms of arctan. Now, let's do 1 or 2 examples, and you'll see what I mean. Now, let's work on this example. We have 1 over 3 plus cos square x dx. Like we said, we are going to introduce tan into this. So we have tan x equals to 2. So let tan x be t. So cos x will be equal to 1 over root of 1 plus t squared. So cos square x will be equal to 1 over 1 plus t squared. And dx will be equal to dt over 1 plus t squared. We've gotten that before. Now, let's work this out. So 3 plus cos square x will be equal to 3 plus 1 over 1 plus t squared, which will be 3 plus 3t squared plus 1 over 1 plus t squared, which is 4 plus 3t squared over 1 plus t squared. So this one is 3 plus 3t squared plus 1 over 1 plus t squared, which is 4 plus 3t squared over 1 plus t squared. Now, we have 1 over 3 plus this. So, therefore, 1 over 3 plus cos square x will be equal to 1 plus t squared over 4 plus 3t squared. Now, we will now bring this into this place, and we bring this one to represent this. Therefore, 1 over 3 plus cos square x dx will be equal to 1 plus t squared over 4 plus 3t squared dt over 1 plus t squared. So, we can have this. So, we are going to have a simple expression that is dt over 4 plus 3t squared. So, you can see, it has brought us to something we are used to now. Very easy to handle. Let's continue. So, this one is going to give us. So, this one is going to give us 1 over 3 dt 4 over 3 plus t squared. Remember, so we are going to have 1 over 3 times, okay. So this one is going to give us 1 over 3. So simplifying it further for ease. So it's going to give us 1 over 3 into dt over root of 4 over 3 squared plus t squared. So it's going to give us, on integrating, we are going to have 1 over 3 times 1 over root of 4 over 3 times, okay, arctan t over root of 4 over 3. So this one is now going to give us, cutting this, we are going to have root 3. And this one is going to be 2. So I'm going to have 1 over 2 root 3. Arctan c, this root 3 will come up over 2 plus c. You know, when you break this down, it's going to be 2 over root 3. So root 3 has come up. So our final answer is now going to be 1 over 2 root 3 arctan root 3 times x over 2 plus c. So you can see, at last, you have a solution for this kind of expression. Very interesting. Now, let's do this one. We have 1 over 2 sin square x plus 4 cos square x dx. Let t be equal to tan x. You understand? You can express each in terms of tan x, but in my own case, because this one is sin x, cos x, I'd rather make it like this. 2 sin square x plus 4 cos square x will be equal to 2 sin square x plus 2 cos square x plus 2 cos square x. So you can see that this place is going to be 2 sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 cos square x. So you can see that this expression has become 2 plus 2 cos square x. Straightforward. Now, and I can see cos x is equal to 1 over 1 plus t squared roots. So cos square x will be equal to 1 over 1 plus t squared. Therefore, 2 plus 2 cos square x will be equal to 2 plus 2 over 1 plus t squared. It's going to be 2 plus 2 t squared plus 2 over 1 plus t squared. And that's going to give me 4 plus 2t squared over 1 plus t squared. So I have broken this to this. Therefore, 1 over 2 sine square x plus 4 cos square x will be equal to the reciprocal of this. And that is 1 plus t squared, 1 plus t squared over 4 plus 2t squared. That is for that. And our dx is going to be, so dx, as we have gotten before, is going to be dt over 1 plus t squared. Therefore, this expression, 1 over 2 sine square x plus 4 cos square x dx will be equal to this one, 1 plus t squared over 4 plus 2t squared plus dt over 1 plus t squared. So this one, so I'm going to have dt over 4 plus 2t squared. So you can see that the job has now become very simple to handle. Now let's work on this. Now, I now work on this. 1 over 4 plus 2t squared dt is now going to give me, let me divide it by 2, 1 over 2, so 1 over root 2 squared plus t squared dt half times 1 over root 2 arctan t over root 2, and that's going to be 1 over 2 root 2 arctan t over root 2 plus c. And we know that t is tan x, so it's going to be 1 over 2 root 2 arctan tan x over root 2 plus c. So that's our answer. Now let's quickly do this one. 1 over 2 cos square x plus 1 dx. We have established that dx is equal to dt over 1 plus t squared, so no squares. And cos square x will be equal to 1 over 1 plus t squared. So this expression now, 2 cos square x plus 1 will be equal to 2 over 1 plus t squared plus 1, which will be 2 plus 1 plus t squared over 1 plus t squared. And that's going to give us 3 plus t squared over 1 plus 1 over 2 cos square x plus 1 will be equal to 1 plus t squared over 3 plus t squared. Therefore, 1 over 2 cos square x plus 1 dx will be equal to 1 plus t squared over 3 plus t squared dot dt over 1 plus t squared. So you see, we can easily get our answer faster now, since we are used to this kind of expression. So this will now be equal to 2 cos square x plus 1 will now be equal to dt over 3 plus t squared. Or let me make it like this, root 3 squared over 1 plus t squared. So it's going to be, okay, it's going to be equal to 1 over root 3 arctan c over root 3 plus c, which should be equal to 1 over root 3 arctan tan x over